This 2021 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Ultralight 279BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, microwave, air conditioning, self-contained, LP detector, smoke detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, refrigerator, leveling jacks, skylight, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Gulfstream Ameri-Lite Ultralight 279BH is 5,273 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.